Welcome to the tutorial of our latest software keyboard. The clerk's first action upon starting work is to log in. The system is web-based, eliminating the need for clerks to download any additional applications. From the main screen, the clerk can view the number of clients currently waiting and call them directly. There are a number of options available to suit different situations. If the client arrives after calling their ticket, the clerk starts the transaction. To initiate the transaction, click the Start button. In the event of an error with the client, the option is available to stop the case without a transaction. Furthermore, there is the option of adding additional services to an existing called ticket. To add a service, simply click the Add button and select the desired service from the list. Once a service has been completed, it can be terminated by clicking the Stop button. However, it is possible to manage 2 or more services in a transactional state simultaneously. Clerks are able to add comments to tickets which are stored and accessible to other clerks. Additionally, customer data can be recorded. Let us now turn our attention to the fundamental tools that form the basis of our system. Recall can be used to recall tickets if the client has not yet arrived to the counter. When recall is used, the original service is called again. The recall option may be used as many times as permitted by the clerk's company policy. In the event that the client fails to arrive, the ticket will be closed as missing. In this instance, the Missing button will be used to indicate that the client is missing. Please be advised that the final 2 actions will be presented on this ticket. Firstly, it should be noted that a waiting list can be either local or global in nature. A local waiting list is a virtual storage area accessible only to the specific clerk who added the ticket to the list. In contrast, any clerk can call tickets from the waiting list on a global basis. This option allows the clerk to indicate whether a transaction has been completed or not. Right now, it is not possible to call clients on the waiting list from the homepage. To view waiting clients, click the Waiting Clients button or the ticket icon. Tickets can be deleted or called. This is the customer who was previously on the global waiting list. Once the transaction has been initiated, clients can be redirected to the relevant clerk, to a specific counter, or even back to their previous position. The client is being redirected to another clerk, Lando Calrissian. This field allows the user to indicate whether the transaction was performed or not. From this point onwards, the client can only be called by Lando, who received the client. The ticket also shows that it has been redirected. Once the client has been redirected, the next clerk can take care of whatever needs to be done. As shown here, this is how clients can be redirected to another counter. The same thing applies here too, in terms of the transaction. There's a status change option for clerks on the homepage. You can indicate different activities here, such as after work or praying. Once the clerk has finished with their activity, they can get back to work by clicking Clear Status. It's worth mentioning that every event and action is being stored in statistics. To access the appointment interface, just click on the middle phone icon. The clerk just needs to fill in the client's details here. First things first, choose the service clerk, date, and time slot. All that's left is to enter the name, email, and phone number. This is important so that customers can be notified before their appointment in case they ask for it. The booking details will be sent to the selected email or phone. To view the clerk's statistics, simply click on the small bar chart icon. This tab allows users to track and monitor a variety of key performance indicators, KPIs. The final icon on the toolbar is a three-dot menu. This provides access to a range of actions. With the exception of the alarm function, all actions are described in advance. The alarm is a crucial component of the system as it enables each clerk to transmit a silent or audible notification as configured in advance in the event of potential danger or an issue. A red bell icon serves to indicate that the alarm function is currently active. Furthermore, the dispensers and displays are displaying an out-of-service message. The alarm status can be deactivated by clicking the red bell and selecting the Stop Alarm option. Once we have finished everything, including the tutorial, it is time to stop the session. This can be done on the home screen or by using the small menu on the taskbar. Just to be sure, check that the session is complete and there are no clients left. Then you can click Stop button. Thank you for watching. Please visit our social media platforms and website for more information.